All right, in this video I'm going to be going over the fact and opinion graphic organizer for our story this week, Major Taylor, champion cyclist. So in this video we're going to be determining fact from opinion. So one of the first facts mentioned in this story is the street was called Bicycle Row. So again, that street, you could go back and search that and find that fact to be true. Okay. One of the first opinions given, visitors would marvel at the bikes. Now, that may be true that a lot of the visitors did, but we can't prove that. Some visitors might not have marveled at the bikes. They might not have been impressed with the bikes. So that's why that is considered an opinion. Okay, our next fact given, crowds gathered at 4 p.m. Again, this is a fact. It's just a given time. It's just everybody knows it was at 4 p.m. You could go back, check any historical document, and they would have that listed as the time when people were supposed to gather around or meet. Okay, our next opinion. The gold medal was elaborate. Again, many people would probably agree with this opinion, but it's still an opinion because you can't prove you can't prove that something is beautiful or elaborate. It's kind of in the eye of the beholder. So that's why it's considered an opinion. Even if most people would agree with that opinion, it's still an opinion. It's not something that can be proven. Okay. Our next fact, Hay and Willits sponsored a 10-mile road race. Okay, again, that can be proven. You can find evidence of this, that they were in fact the sponsors. There would be a trail. Opinion, Marshall tried on the medal and smiled. Okay. An opinion, most likely because there may not have been any photographic evidence of this, or what is considered a smile could be disputed, but obviously there isn't evidence of this, so that would be considered an opinion. Okay, our next fact, Birdie took Marshall with him to Worcester, Massachusetts. Okay, again, this could be proven. So there must be some kind of evidence that he did that in fact took place. And then our opinion, Marshall's talent grew as fast as his popularity. So again, this is just this isn't fact. Many people may agree with this, but there's no way to prove this. Okay, there's no way to prove, because talent, you can't there's not a number you can associate with talent. It can't be measured. Okay. And same with popularity, other than maybe if you could count the number of fans, but to be able to say that his talent grew as fast as his popularity, that would be impossible to prove. Okay, our next fact, Marshall was the first through, there I go with my thes again, first through the winning tape. And again, that could be proven. There's records of who won that race, and so we can prove that it was Marshall. And opinion, Marshall maneuvered his bike as adeptly as he had years ago. So again, just the opinion of the author. This cannot be proven. There's not going to be evidence that he necessarily did it as adeptly as he had years ago. There's not going to be evidence of that. All right, so that's our fact and opinion chart for Major Taylor. You can use this to help kind of summarize the story, to help you remember what was going on, and also get some ideas of what was considered opinion. And this is going to be the author's opinion, so you can get some of the author's perspective and what the author thought of Major Taylor by looking at the opinions. The facts, though, are just the facts. They can be proven. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.